Hello Udemy, I'm Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 11. Today we are going to customize our navigation bar which we have created in our previous lecture. So you can see we have a navigations bar and we have a class navbar inverse. So I told you that they have basic class navbar default. If you add this class, you can see you have a default navigations bar. So they are saying that they are talking about image. So you can see you have this image or logo, and they are saying replace the navbar brand with your own image by swapping the text for an image. Since the nav brand has its own padding and height, you may need to override some CSS depending on your image. And we have a large image, so that's why we give it a class and we call that class inside our styling, and we set width 90 pixels. So they are also saying some CSS depending on your need. So there are two sections in your navigations bar. First of all, this is your collapse sections. You can see collapse. So this is your collapse section. So what is the collapse sections? You can access this website. When you access this website on a small device, so you can see this is a collapse. Okay, this is a collapse. So now you can see inspect element, and now you can, so this is your collapse button. So navbar toggle. So go to your sections. So this is navbar toggle button in your small devices, but in large devices it's not work. Or you can see bootstrap handle this functionality. Okay, so now I'm saying, just a second. Okay, so now they have two sections, two navigations bar. You can see this is navbar and this is navbar right. So in this navbar, so this is your navbar first of all, and this is right navbar. Okay, so now if you want to add some links, so you can add your links like this: copy, paste, paste, paste. Okay, so now I'm saying this is about us sections. I'm saying this is contact us sections, or I'm saying this is gallery, or I'm saying how it works, or okay, it's enough. Go to your page, refresh the page. So now you have few links. What about these links? I'm saying this is your drop down menu. Okay, so now you can see we have a drop down menu. Go to this, and now we are customizing our navigation bar. Okay, so now you have a drop down. I'm saying login. For suppose I'm saying login, or I'm saying a person is logged in. For suppose Shakzee is a person, so Shakzee is logged in. So I'm going to create, for suppose, profile, and I'm saying change password, and I'm saying for suppose products, and this is the divider. Go to your page, refresh the page. Now hit the button. You can see you have drop down menu, profile. So this is the divider, and now I'm saying log out. Go to your page, refresh the page. So you have a log out. For suppose you can write something here. I'm saying for suppose picture here or something like this. So this is your picture. For suppose this is picture, this is a picture, or you can add your pictures inside here. Okay, so now you have created your navigations bar. For suppose if you want to add more links inside your left navigations bar or default nav bar, so you can see you have nav bar right section, which is, this is nav bar right section, and this section is the nav bar left section. So you can consider it nav bar left section. So this is your nav bar left section. You can add your more links by copying this, and by paste this here. You can add as many as link you require. So first of all, how can you customize these links? For suppose I'm saying I have a left custom, I'm going to add a custom class. I'm saying left nav bar, and now I'm going to call this nav bar inside my style.css file. Make sure I have attached my CSS file here, and this is my CSS file, and I'm saying lft nav bar left, and now I'm saying in the nav bar left sections we have a li. Make sure in the left this class which we have just added, this class we have a li, and inside li we have a anchor. So we have an anchor. Okay, so go to your browser, refresh the page. There are two approaches. You can directly add some properties and values here, or you can add inspect element. Okay, so hit the li button, and you can see you have just added a class inside your style.css file. I'm saying color red. Okay, not important, it's not working because you are giving you are setting a property at your li, to your li, but I am saying I'm going to add some properties for anchor. So we just need to modify our style. So I'm saying in this class we have a child named li, and we have an anchor named anchor. Okay, so now go to your page, hit your anchor buttons. You can see you have your anchor, and now I'm saying color red. You can add not important sign to forcefully add this property. Okay, if you are not going to add this, it's not works. Okay, so now you can see it's not working, but you can override your property like to add not important. So this is the basic. So I consider that you have the basic knowledge of CSS and HTML as well. So you have added your links for suppose color red and not important first, and I am going to, when someone visit this links means hover, I'm saying I'm going to add olive. Refresh the page. So now you can see we have olive. If you want to add more than one property, just call that class and you can add more property. for support font size 10 pixel, and you can increase like this. Okay, so now inside your, so you have allies. Okay, you have added, I'm saying okay, just a second, this is anchor, copy this font and you have to paste this font here, and now it's working fine. So you have changed the color of links. So in the same manner you can change the colors of these links. So how can you change? For suppose I'm giving the same class to my left nav bar as well. So this is my right nav bar as well. So this is my right nav bar, and refresh the page. So now it's working fine. So you have just customized your nav bar. So how can you customize the background? For suppose you can visit our official website shakzee.com. Just a second. Okay, so they have a navigations bar. They have navigations bar like this, and I have a navigations bar which has a background color something like olive. So first of all you can find where is your property. For suppose this is your nav bar sections, so nav bar default, so they have default color, background color and border color. Okay, so what you need to add a custom class because of your, okay, I'm saying nav bar custom color. Okay, so now I'm going to call this navigation bar inside my style.css file, and now I'm saying just I'm calling. Okay, now go to your navigations bar. So this is your navigations bar. You can add your background. For suppose I'm saying background black and I'm saying border 1 pixel solid olive. Okay, so now it's working fine. Copy this bad boy, paste this bad boy here, refresh the page. So now you have customized your navigations bar, and now you can open this in your iPhone 6. So now you can see you have customized your navigations bar like this, and you have a pretty navigation and responsive navigation bar using Twitter Bootstrap. I hope you are enjoying this series, and in the next lecture we are going to cover some other features, which is breadcrumb and some other functionality like pagination and something in our component section. So for now, thank you for watching.